Hi everyone. Today we're going to cover the new engagement creation and launch process on the 9lenses platform. First, we'll navigate to the digital interview of our choice under Libraries and Interviews. We'll select an approved interview, and using the menu on the right-hand side, select Create Engagement. A couple of notes about the new engagement process. First, you'll see a green bar at the top of the screen that indicates when you're ready to proceed to the next step in the process. When you're comfortable with the process, you can select Dismiss or Don't Show Again. In addition, there's a gray check in the menu at the top left-hand side of the screen. This check displays when you've completed all the necessary steps to advance to the next section. Another new feature is the table of contents on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you can turn on and off certain sections of your engagement. For example, if your engagement did not require additional context, you could choose to turn off the introduction here. Your digital interview title and description are hard-coded. Those changes can be made under Library in your digital interview. However, here you can actually choose the logo that will be displayed to end users on your engagement. After you've chosen the logo, the gray check appears in the menu on the top left-hand side of the screen. Now you're ready to proceed to participants. By selecting participants, I can choose from those people that have already been added to the 9lenses platform. I can upload new individuals using a spreadsheet, or I can select predefined groups that are located on the People menu on our home screen. Here I'll select Employees, select all the employees to be added, and select Add. Once I've added the employees, you'll see the gray check in the upper left-hand corner indicating I'm ready to proceed to the next section. Once I select Messages, I can either create a new message here or choose from a pre-existing message template in our message library. I'll choose a template, select that template, and here I can make edits or tailor this particular message to this engagement. Under Settings, there's additional functionality including how the brand will display for that particular message, who the message comes from, who the replies go to, and whether we'd like to send this to our entire participant list or to a targeted audience. Once we've saved and selected our message, we're ready to proceed to schedule and launch. Here we can choose when the engagement terminates. In addition, in the upper right-hand side, we have some new feature functionality, including being able to preview your interview or engagement. So you'll see how end users would view your engagement, or test messaging that you've developed. Here you can choose the message and choose the individual you would like to receive the test message. Now your interview setup or engagement setup is complete. You're ready to select Manage. Here you can choose the individuals that should receive participation reports of your engagement. If you've established comments and individuals designated to review comments within your particular engagement, you would choose those individuals here. Any comment tags that you've created in your library to be assigned to those comments would also be selected here. Under Data Access, you can choose analytics users or admin users that you would like to receive or have designated access to this particular engagement analytics. Under Notifications, you can see all of the messages that are assigned to particular participants of your interview or engagement. A new beta functionality is our Client section. Here you can enter the name of the client. In future iterations of the platform, you'll be able to identify the client and all of the engagements that have been run under that client, regardless of the organization. Under Metadata, you would choose your particular industry. Under Attachments, here you can add context to that particular engagement. So if it's background about the client, any presentations used to present to the client, you can house those under the engagement for future reference. Now you're ready to begin launching and manage your engagements on the 9lenses platform.